The Hindu editorial of 25th February 2023 is being discussed in great detail because of a thermal power plant located in the Chandrapur district of Maharashtra is polluting the region, and due to this, peoples around these regions are being affected largely by the air. You all are definitely heard about the National Air Quality Index that is being published by the Central Pollution Control Board, which comes into the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. It has a 6 category of AQI, that is good, satisfactory and moderate, poor and very poor and severe categories. These are being decided on the basis of ambient air concentration value of the pollutant in a particular area. Ambient means the particular area being concerned. Okay, so these 6 categories are being decided, and in the report of AQI index, that is every day in newspapers are being published, and their likely health impacts are also being discussed in the reports as well. So there are 8 pollutants, that is PM10, particulate matter, and PM 2.5, NO2, SO2, CO, O3 means ozone, NH3, ammonia, and PV. PV means lead. To gauge the environmental activity, and due to the environmental activity air pollution, the CPCB, Central Pollution Control Board, which is under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, has designed an index called Comprehensive Environmental Pollution Index, which is developed in 2009, and afterwards it is only calculating in the particular area, industrial area and polluted industrial areas only. The focus is the concentration of the particular industrial areas. They gauge their economic activities and pollutions, air pollution, etc., in those particular areas only. So the issue that is being in news is being discussed by the Indian Authority and are in the news, the Hindu publishing it. India's black gold city, that is Chandrapur, Maharashtra, Vidarbha region, coal rich belt of Maharashtra. This is the Vidarbha region is actually have coal deposit, and the air that is being polluting, the SO2 and CO2 and NOx, nitrous oxide, is being polluting as air pollution and causing asthma to the peoples. But the fly ash that is there, a byproduct of coal burning, is a carcinogenic, which is causing cancer into the peoples. And the bottom ash, which is a residue of coal, which is unburned, and that is safely stored, because of otherwise if it get in groundwater contact, then it will cause a water pollution as well. So it must be stored, but the thermal power plant authorities is not managing rightly it, so it is creating a water problem as well in the region. These 2 components, fly ash and bottom ash, is adding these 2 is known as the coal ash. So look at the AQI, Air Quality Index, 8 pollutant, that is PM10, PM2.5, NO2, SO2, ammonia, monoxide, and ozone and lead. So let me show you some in great detail AQI categories. Let me show you. Focus on these. This is the website of AQI, and look at it. The good categories. Good categories is this good. AQI if lies between 0 and 50, and PM10 concentration is 0 and 50 in between, and PM2.5, and just focus on this, and PB.5, and ammonia 200, NOx 0 to 40, CO is very less, 0 to 1, ozone 0 to 5, because ozone is also present in troposphere. And satisfactory, let me show you severe categories. Severe category 400 plus and 500 in between. AQI index is crosses 400 and 300 plus, in between 300 400, poor. Just see it, good and satisfactory and moderate, poor and very poor categories. Okay. Look at various other parameters of AQI index. That is CO, carbon monoxide, is being measured in milligram per meter cube, and other pollutant is microgram per meter cube. 2 hours hourly average value of PM10 and PM2.5, NO2 and NOx, ammonia and PB, and 8 hours value of CO and ozone. You have to concentrate on these two parameters, micron in meter cube and milligram per meter cube. So the units that is being measured is like this. Air quality index is a tool of effective communication of air quality status to the people in terms of their understanding, to transform the air quality index in the various pollutants into a single unit, and being colored and nomenclatures are being differentiated. To reduce the SO2 from the coal fumes exhausted by the chimney, the flue gas desulfurization FGD is a process that is used to reduce the SO2, and its efficacy is 80 to 90%, up to